We're going to make the seasoning, then the chicken, then the sauce. I am making Jamaican Jerk Seasoning mix. And I don't have Jamaican seasoning in our community. We don't even have Jamaicans out here, unfortunately. So, I am going to mix all these seasonings. And for those who don't know, I love my seasonings. And I'm going to tell you how much to put in to get ahead and make Jamaican Jerk Seasoning mix. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the seasoning to cook. You know I'm a cook. Okay, so this is what you need. Garlic, 1 tablespoon. Cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons. Onion powder, 2 teaspoons. Dry thyme, 2 teaspoons. Parsley, 2 teaspoons. And this dish right here is my sugar, 2 teaspoons. Salt, that's here, 2 teaspoons. Paprika, where are you? There's my paprika. 1 teaspoon. My allspice, 1 teaspoon. My black pepper, right here, 1/2 teaspoon. And crushed peppers, 1/2 teaspoon. Now, understand Jamaican Jerk Seasoning is spicy. So I'm going to suggest if you have ulcer or stomach problems, remove these, the crushed pepper. This is a grinder. Remove this out the equation because with the pepper and the cayenne pepper is already going to make it hot. Okay, here we go. Okay, I mixed all my seasonings in, took one of them empty containers, marked it so I know, and I'm going to shake it all up real good. Okay, I'm warming up my air fryer, so I'm waiting for that. While I'm waiting for that, I'm spraying it with my cooking spray. I get that from Walmart. And over there is my marinade chicken in the bag that I have been marinating overnight. And I got some in the air fryer, waiting to get ahead and put it in. Okay, there's the green light. I got it set to 400 degrees. It'll be 15 minutes, approximately about 8 on each side. There we go, right there. And it may vary according to what air fryer you may have. Okay, the bell has rang, and it is done. Crispy on the outside, nice and crispy. Remember, this takes no egg, no flour, just a little bit of panko and cooked in its own juices and the marinade juice. Nice and healthy. Okay, I'm back. Whew, it's getting hot here. Alright, my jerk chicken is done. And if you notice, we did it in the fryer, so we didn't have to turn on the oven. And it came out, and I showed you how juicy it is inside. And it's crispy on the outside, a little crispy. Jerk chicken can be fixed in the oven, on the grill. It's basically not about the chicken, because you can use any parts. It's basically about the seasonings. It's a spicy chicken and a hot chicken. So it's a spicy hot. However, I cut this hot out, so I didn't use a lot of the hot spices, but I kept the spiciness, just not the hotness. So I like to have a little sauce with mine. So I'm going to show you a quick sauce that I heard a chef made a long time ago. So you take a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of pineapple juice, and of course you know you need some more jerk seasoning. Now this could come in a dry, or if you live in a city, you can get like the paste. You're going to want to mix it up really, really good. Then you're going to want to put it on the stove and let it simmer for a while. And the longer you let it simmer, the thicker it becomes. And then you can cut this up and sprinkle it over, and I'll show you the finished project. We'll be back. pie out. I got a little bit of pineapple to get ahead and cut that hot flavor. So to get ahead and take it, maybe do a little dipping. And then to cool that hot flavor off or that spicy flavor, then there you go. This is a quick sauce that you can make. And yummy, yummy for the tummy. Jamaican Jerk Chicken in the air fryer. Throw them likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button. It's over here near the food somewhere. If you want to be a honeybee.